Hey guys, Ed up here. Today we're checking out the HV-C10 Cordless Handheld Vacuum from REIKIYA. Inside the box you get the vacuum itself, a bunch of adapters, USB-C charging cable, user's guide, and a carrying case. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. This little vacuum is able to suck up all of these goat heads and dirt and stuff from underneath the pedals, all these hard to reach spots. We are out at the trailer this weekend, and this space heater that we use to add a little bit extra heat to the trailer has this wire mesh filter on the back. And usually I have to unscrew all of these, rinse it off, dry it off, and put it back in. Now with this vacuum I can just zoop 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 and suck out all of that dirt. This is also pretty handy for all these little nooks and crevices around the trailer that I want to clean off but not hook up the main vacuum to deal with. Yesterday the power for all of the town that we're at went out for a few hours. It was nighttime for me anyway, so I just started wrapping everything up so I could go to bed. While I was putting some chips into the cupboard, the bag ripped open and I got crumbs all over the place. Now the power is out, so I can't plug in the small vacuum we have in the trailer, so this thing actually came in kind of clutch. I was able to clean up all of the crumbs that fell into the cabinet as well as what fell behind the trash can. And even though it was dark, I was able to use the light on this thing to see what was going on. So having that little vacuum during a power outage was kind of nice. Where I think this thing is going to be perfect though is camping. You can use these things to blow up balloons, you can use them to blow up air mattresses, to suck out the air from air mattresses. But what I always have a problem with is when I'm sweeping out the tent, getting ready to put it away. There's always this little bit that just will not go into the dustpan. So I can pull this thing out, suck that up, and have a completely clean tent for our next trip out. You can even use this with this adapter here to force some air onto your fire to help get it started. This filter pops out pretty easy, so you can dump out all of the dirt. And if you need to, you can hook up one of these to the blower end and blow out the filter and make sure everything gets out. So you can reuse this for a long time. Now with as small as this is, it's not going to hold an awful lot. When I was cleaning out the Tahoe, I had to empty it out three times just to get that one little area goat head free. This thing comes with a 2600 milliamp hour battery, and it is chargeable with the USB-C adapter. So any vehicle that I'm in, I have USB-C adapters in there. I can plug this in and charge it up. From completely empty to completely full, it's going to take you about 2.5 hours to charge this. It charges at 5 volts at 2.4 amps. It says here that it has a working time on high of 13 minutes max and a working time on low at 23 minutes max. But with that USB-C charging, it makes it easy enough to blow up your floaty when you're going down the river, or blow up your air mattress or something like that. Charge it up. When you're done, use it to suck out all the air out of your floaty or your air mattress, and then you can charge it right back up again. This display on the back will show me the percent of charge, whether it's charging, and when it's turned on it will adjust and show me how much force I am using from the blower or the vacuum. There is an angle on the filter for the vacuum, so you can have it pointing down or have it pointing up. Just put this in, twist it, and it locks tight. To line these up, there's a little line on each of the nozzles and 2 circles here. One's empty, one's full. Stick that line onto the empty side and give it a twist. Locks tight. And this case is pretty good. It fits everything in there just perfectly. Stick you up there. Just doop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And we'll even put the fire starter in here as well. You guys know I love cases. Keeps everything all organized, nice and tight. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.